So these are some points for tinnitus. It can be brain related or it can be related to the ears. So we're going to have a look at both. So often just the pressure of stress going to the head. So we're going to squeeze the thumb on both sides. You've got the face on the front and the ears on the side, and you can sort of squeeze from the tip down to the base to improve the pressure and the circulation. Then the next thing we can do is go to the meridians that connect to the ears. So the gallbladder meridian on the Sujok system goes like down the middle of the middle finger, so you can trace down, massage like this. And the triple warmer meridian goes on the index finger, also going close to the ears. Massage down here or press points along the way, like here. Circle on that point. And the triple warmer meridian also goes down here on the fourth finger on the outside, so you can massage here or dredge. And there's a good point here in the joint between the knuckles and then in between the tendons as well. And then we're going to flip over to the other side of the hand, the palm, and then we're going to massage the little finger from the base to the tip. So massage down like this. That improves the kidneys, which are connected to the ears. And the kidney meridian is also on the left side of the middle finger. So here it's the whole finger. This is the meridian. Particularly you want to press the point at the end of the finger here. And the liver meridian, the spleen meridian cross over. So also you can press the liver point to improve blood pressure. And the spleen point, let's go for that one because it crosses over here on the middle finger. Or you could press here as well for the spleen. So liver, kidney, spleen. And this is an acupressure point to calm the mind, basically on the inside of the wrist, like here. Circle here for a couple of minutes, helps to calm the mind. On the heart meridian, helps to balance our mind, the heart rate and circulation. Another good point is in the middle of the wrist, basically in line with that. And also like 3 fingers away from the wrist, a bit like a triangle. And the point here is for the lungs, which can help to breathe easier and to balance our emotions. This is known as the Buddha's triangle. So here we're on the pericardium meridian. And then in the center of the palm, where your middle finger would land, pericardium 8. Another good point to balance anxiety and be more present. So I hope you find this useful, even if it's just to help you balance your emotions and stay calm. Let's go through some Qigong for these exact meridians. So we've got the kidneys, triple warmer, spleen, liver and heart. That's the main ones. And the gallbladder. We'll start by tracing the outside of the legs and going back up on the inside. And you can tap as well. And then tap the inside of the calf. And then tap the inside of the legs. This just helps to relieve stress and boost the liver circulation, liver and spleen circulation. And we can tap on the back of the arm for the triple warmer meridian. And the other side. And we can do some tapping on the pericardium meridian on the front of the bicep down to the front of the wrist. And then rub the hands together and comb the hair back a few times. And then place the hands on the back of the head and drum flicking the index off the middle finger on the back of the head. So we inhale and then cover the ears, and then exhale, quickly bring the hands off the ears. So it looks like this. And you can also try this. Warm the middle finger by massaging it against your knees or your thighs. And then place it in the middle of the ear and just wiggle it around. And then pull off rapidly, so like that. That one helps to unblock the ears and connect the pericardium, the fire element, with the water element, which is the ears. There are also some useful acupressure points around the ear, so local points. This is like one behind the ear on the triple warmer meridian. Can do both ears at the same time. It's also a good point to help to sleep. And then just if you go behind onto the muscle part, that's also a point on the triple warmer meridian. This one can help to improve the circulation to the brain. And then on the front of the ear, so in the gap where when you open your jaw, so massage here. And then there's a point just below that hollow bit, and there's a point just above it. So you can also massage there. And with this one, I just like to press on and off. And then above also. And you can circle as well. Try circling the other way. Massage at a pace that feels comfortable. And now feel your ears, feel your body, feel grounded, feel calm. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.